was the same.
How many simultaneously connected users can you have on a single machine?
You mean if I have a...
Yeah, I'm thinking historically where Windows and .NET didn't have one of the best socket handling capabilities.
Yeah, I mean nowadays the socket handling and you know,
it's being cleaned up and
very much so. So first of all, WebSharper doesn't deal with that kind of level.
No,
it can.
But you're still using a .NET framework, and
sure. So
you're dependent on third-party technology.
Yes, and in our case, we typically are only requiring, in order to run WebSharper applications that have a server side. So first of all, you can have WebSharper applications that are fully client. So you write them in F#, you get a whole bunch of JavaScript code. We even package it into mobile applications and so on and so on. But they won't have any server side to contact. So on these kind of applications, this is not an issue.
Yeah, no, exactly.
But for the ones that have a server side, so the only things that this is not something we require. This side's designed in the first place. We want it to be compatible with ASP.NET. So in order to run any WebSharper application with a server side, you need an ASP.NET compatible container, IIS, or if you are running on Linux, you can have Apache with ASP.NET, the module for ASP.NET. There are many open source web containers nowadays that are falling in this category. So they are ASP.NET compatible, but they also coming up with some new stuff. So there's this web API, as they call it, this new standard coming up. It's also driven by Microsoft. There are a couple open source initiatives to sort of unify, like what should be the interface